Guys, so in this video we've got some inflatable tyres for an RC car. Do you have a job you hate? Imagine if you could make more money from the comfort of your own home. That was my dream, and it became a reality once I started selling on eBay. And I've now taught hundreds of people my secrets. So just check out the results here from some of my students. So if you're sick of that 9 till 5 and you want to make more money than a doctor from the comfort of your own home, then click on the link down below and I'll show you how. So I've had these under the bench for about a year now, so I thought I may as well just dig them out and give them a little go. So these are some tyres, and they are for a crawler, but they're inflatable. You get a pump and you pump them up. Now I've had some of these before, but these were a little bit small, and I couldn't really gauge whether they were any good or not just because they were so small. So these ones here are, well, they're actually bigger, but we'll be able to give it another go, this time with some tyres that are actually a decent size. And then we might even pump one of these old ones up and just keep going until it explodes, see how much air it will take. Now, I suppose you don't really want a crazy amount of pressure in there. When you look at real 4x4s, they do actually air down when they go off-road to give them more grip. So to pump these up, it comes with this little tube here. I suppose you could attach it to a pump, but I'm just going to see if I can just blow in it. So there's the valve there, look. That's pretty perfect, actually. Oh my god, they're pretty big. Check it out. Check it out. So this is a Traxxas TRX4. It's got a few little modifications on it, so if you want to know more about this truck, there's going to be a link to that up here. Oh no, look! That wheel's bent already! Alright, let's see how good it can crawl. Coming up to the Hyper VS. Oh! Straight over! Well, it definitely made easy work of that, so now let's try some more stuff. So here we have the assault course. So we're starting off on these two boxes here, coming over these two X-Max tyres, and then coming over the car crush section. Once we've gone over that, we're going over this tyre section and another car crush section, and then we need to make it up this almost impossible hill climb, round the table, down the chair, onto the toolboxes, and then we win. I've not tried it yet, so I've no idea if it works. Oh, we stuck on the first obstacle already. Come on! Oh my god! Oh, straight over the tyres. No problems at all. Over the tyre section. Over the cars. Oh, this is just too easy. What is going on? Coming up to the impossible hill climb section. Oh. This is ludicrously steep. Can the TRX4 make it up? Oh, and we made it. So now we have to make it off the table and onto this chair. Oh, and we made it. Oh, and we stuck. Oh. Oh, we made it. So all we have to do now is make it onto the floor. And oh, come on, yes. Oh, and we finished it. So now, just out of curiosity, I just want to try the same track with the stock wheels. Alright, here we go. Let's see how well we can do it on the stock tyres. Still doing pretty good. Oh, we're stuck in the hole. Alright, there we go. New line, new attempt, and new hope. Is it going to make it up the near impossible climb? Oh, easy. Uh-oh. Oh, we made it! We made it! So next, let's see how much pressure these tyres can take. What's going on? I don't know how much more is going to go in there. That looks silly. Look at the state of that. It's one of these tyres. That's how big it's supposed to be. What? Oh, this one has a leak. Oh, not to worry. I have another small set. Man, what is going on with this? I've had troubles with this before, and everybody says, oh, you got to pull the lever. I mean, so you put it in, you pull the lever, then you put that in there, and nothing. So, do you put it that way? Nothing. So then, that way? Definitely nothing. And people were trying to make out that I'm some sort of an idiot. You can't use a simple pump. Well, no, I can't actually. It's not doing anything. So what am I supposed to do? You're supposed to ram that all the way in there? And then close it? Still nothing. Nothing happening, look. Oh, I got a different one. Let's try that one. Oh, it's working. Well. Oh, it's got a puncture. Right, that's it.
It's getting it.
150 PSI, baby. Dimitri might be laughing at me, but not this tyre. That's it, you're getting it now. Oh, that was lame. Surely no one's got a schmeckle that big. Oh. What happened? Can't be. Really? How? Hey! Alright, let's get serious. What? Ah, you're kidding me, man. Alright, one more tyre to blow up, and then we can give the rock section another go with all these overinflated tyres, and just to see what happens. Ah, it's not staying in. It's going on anyway. I would put a link down below where you can get these from, but I don't think they're going to last that long, guys. Alright, here we go. Can it make it round the obstacle course with over inflated tyres. Alright, I'm going to go nice and slow to start with. I don't want to destroy these tyres straight away. We definitely haven't got as much grip. This is why in the real world when people go out off-roading, they let some air out of the tyres because it gives you more grip. But it's still doing pretty good. Oh, stuck in the hole. Need to come over this way a little bit more. Oh, there we go, there we go. Come on, come on, come on. Maybe a little hop. Right, there we go. There we go. Alright, so now can we make it up the hill? Come on, you can do it. Oh, that was me being silly. Let's be sensible for a minute. Alright, there we go. We've done it. We have done it. Can it make the last section? Oh, yes. Oh, oh. Oh, let's see if we can do it a bit faster. Oh my God. Can we make it down the windshield of death? Oh yes! So to finish up, we're just going to do a burnout. So this TRX4 here, I've modified it so that it can run on a 6-cell LiPo. If you don't know what that means, it means it's got a crazy amount of power. I've taken the front wheels off just so we don't overload the motor, but just to get an idea of how fast this thing goes. Hold on. Here we go. I probably should let that motor cool down a bit. The tyres are actually holding up pretty well, but oh, that's warm. Alright, well, we might do that in a separate video. If you want to see these tyres ripped to shreds in a different video, guys, let me know. Yep, that motor's definitely getting warm. If you want to see this happen in a dedicated video, we can pump these up a bit more and just keep burning them out until they pop. Maybe we can put them onto the burnout car and let them rip. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and smash the bell button so you don't miss it. But for now, I will see you over on one of these other videos.